Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making an salted caramel with this salted caramel frost donut. You can buy these in Costa, and I'm trying to remake them. Okay, so let's go. So this is a recipe for 2 people. You could just half the amount. So 1 cup, about this size, of milk, and you want to put all this into a blender. Like so. And 1 cup of ice. Just put half a cup of ice and half a cup of milk if you're doing this for 1 person. And the milk may splash up. Okay, we'll put all the rest in. And there we go. Now get a tablespoon and put about 2.5 tablespoons. Like so. Now you put that in. So you need any sauce of your choice. I used raspberry sauce before. Ice, milk, and spray cream is optional. So now what you want to do is screw the lid onto your blender really tightly so it doesn't come off, like that. And get your blender, start to blend it. Be back in a sec. Bye guys. Okay, so now it's all blended. We're gonna take it off the blender, give it a good shake, see if we can hear any lumps, and we can't, hopefully. Take a look, and here it is. It's kind of, it tastes amazing. A strange consistency. It's not like liquidy, but it's not like ice cream. So, what you want to do is get your 2 cups. That is my cat, and she is loud. Try and push your very heavy sideboard backwards. Get your 2 cups and lids. I'm going to get some metal straws, save the turtles, and pour it into both the cups. 1 and 2. Now you want to get your spray cream. And before you use it, you always want to give it a good shake like so. Okay, now, actually no, before that, you want to get a spoon and scrape out the last bit of your caramel. Just put it on top. And then do that for the other one. Looking at the jar is optional. So now that's on there like that. You want to get your spray cream and just spray some on the top, like that. and then eat it. Pop the lids on. And put the straws in. Here you go, 2 salted caramel Frostinos. Bye guys.